Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got my latest Rocksbox to share with you. Now I don't have any jewelry on and I didn't bring much jewelry with me for the weekend. I'm away for the weekend. You could probably tell I'm not at home. I'm actually in Block Island. It's been really nice to get away. The weather's beautiful, still social distancing and things like that, but it's so nice. So let's dig into my set. If you don't know about Rocksbox, I will leave a link below if you want to try it. Your first box, you actually get the $21 credit to use and you won't even pay it. You know what I mean? So when you sign up for your first box, normally you'd pay $21 for your membership each month. You could use it as a rental. You could buy some of the pieces from the box and your monthly credit would get put towards that piece or those pieces. Last month I bought all 3 pieces. But for your first Rocksbox, if you're new to Rocksbox, then you don't pay the $21 your first month, but you still get that credit to use, which is really nice. So I will leave a link below if you're interested. I really enjoy my Rocksbox boxes. I took everything out. I don't know if I already mentioned that, so I can just kind of move along a little bit more quickly. So the first thing I'll show you the bracelets first. So I've been eyeing these for a while, and then I saw Sheila over at Face and Fashions. She got these, I believe she got them in silver, and I thought, you know what? They were on my wish list, and my stylist sent these to me. So good timing. These are by Wild. They are the Laguna Stretch Bracelet Set in gold. $55 is the member price. Now, when I saw them on the website, I thought it was just one large kind of bracelet, but they're 2 separate, and I like that because you can kind of layer them. They're stretchy. I think they're very pretty. They've got some shine. They'll go with a lot. What do you think? I really like them. They're a little heavy, but not too bad. And I like bracelets that have that bangle kind of look, which I know this really not too much of a bangle, but I like them. Okay. I'm going to keep them on, actually. I really like them. Let's keep them on for the whole try on. All right, next, what do I have? I have a ring, and I haven't received a ring from Rocksbox. I don't wear rings that much, and I just figured, you know what? Let me try a ring. So I put a couple on my wish list, and this one is by Slate. It's the Bowie ring in gold and black druzy, and it's $46 is the member price. When I say member price, that means if you're a member of Rocksbox, you get it at that discounted price. So here's the ring. Isn't it pretty? I love that. So it's got the gold around it. I think that's so pretty. What do you think? I might keep that. I don't own many rings, and I think this is really fun. I wear a size 7, and I believe they sent it to me in a 7. It doesn't say, but I think when I accepted my set, it said a size 7. I like that. Oh, so fun. And then I have a pair of earrings, and I'm so excited for these. So last month, I know I got the same exact pair of earrings, but they were in a lighter pink. And I actually mentioned that my friend Heather over at Hey It's Heather received this pair because we both have the same dress from Trunk Club or from Nordstrom. I think she just bought hers from Nordstrom, and I got mine in a trunk. And it matches the dress perfectly. She got these in one of her Rocksboxes, and I was so hoping that I would get them, and I finally did. So these are by Kendra Scott. These are the Alex earrings in gold and magenta magnesite. I can't talk today. Magnesite? I think that's how you say it. And the member price is $55. Now with Kendra Scott, they don't offer like a member price. That would be the retail price as well. I think they're so pretty. Let's try them on. How fun. I know, and I did buy the pink ones last time, but I like them so much that I would probably buy them in the brighter pink too. What do you think? I think they're fun. Do they match my kimono? Not really. No, I probably wouldn't wear them with the kimono, but they're still fun. I'm trying to think, did I bring anything this weekend? I'm an overpacker, so I probably brought something that'll go with these. Let me put the other one in so we could see. Hang on. Whoops. I'm struggling. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I think they're fun. With a white top, with black, with that pink dress that I have. Oh man, I think I have to keep all 3 again. What do you think? I like them all. So if I keep all 3, so you get a discount for keeping all 3 of $10, it'd be $146. I'll wear them around for a while. I'm going to keep this set for a while. I haven't done that in a while. I haven't kept a set. I think I may keep this set through the rest of the month. Let my July rocks, because I already spent my June credit. Maybe let my July credit hit, or my membership fee, you know, the $21, and then apply it towards something. or all three. Let me know, what's your favorite piece? I think my favorite, I can't pick. The bracelet, the ring. The ring is fun, and I don't own many rings, so I think this would be top of my list, but the earrings are also fun. Look at the bright pink. I love them. All right, so that was my Rocksbox. Let me know what your favorite piece was. If you do Rocksbox, let me know how you're enjoying your pieces. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.